Hello everyone, I am Lorenzo. Today I will explain to you how to use our 600mm cleaning machine. The first step is to add purified water or distilled water into the chiller. The water level reaches the green normal area. The green standard area means the water has been added. At this time, put the lid back on. At this time, there is a situation. If it is sent by Air Express, it may be possible to add fluorine. The salesperson should inform you in advance at this time if it is added with fluorine. You need to find the special fluorine filling manufacturer. Then follow the filling amount and refrigerant model above. For example, this machine is R32. The filling amount is 0.32 kg. Tell this information to the fluorine filling manufacturer. Let them help you fill. Next, we will connect the machine to the power supply. For example, this machine is a 220 volts single-phase power supply. Then connect the neutral wire and the live wire to the circuit breaker. After it is connected correctly, we will power it on. The specific wiring should be distinguished according to the different customized powers of different machines. Put it back. The second step is to turn on the circuit breaker at the end of the machine. Open it upwards. The third step is to turn on the emergency stop of the machine. Press the system switch button downward at the same time. At this time, you can see that the system switch is always on. Then the temperature of the chiller is also within a reasonable range. Generally speaking, when the water chiller runs to about 22 to 26 degrees plus or minus 2 degrees centigrade, it can start operating normally. Now the water chiller is running normally. We turn on the button of the laser. Okay, this is one of our system interfaces. Then this is the graphic. You can choose here. 6 graphics here. This is the direction of the graphic. This is whether to fill. When we choose to fill the circle or fill the square. For example, fill the circle as an example. Then you can choose bidirectional here. Choose to fill. This fill is only valid for the 2 full sources and fill square graphics on the back. Here is the power of the machine. Scan length, scan width. Then there is the scan frequency and speed. If you want to change the language, click the exclamation mark in the upper right corner. There is a system language option here. You can automatically switch to the language you want. Okay, this is an introduction to the system interface. We will come with an 8mm air tube with the machine. This is used to connect compressed air or other pure gas. For example, oxygen and nitrogen can put also the 8mm air tube into the connection of the machine's air tube. Okay, the connection is complete. Connect the other end to the air compressor. Turn on the air compressor. Okay. When we turn on the laser cannot be directed because it is a laser and has a level for damage. Then when we clean it, be sure to wear professional laser protective glasses that we provide to avoid eye damage. When cleaning, the first step is to open the protective cover of the cleaning head. When you hear a click, move to the correct position in time. The second step is to press the protection button switch on the cleaning head. When the background light turns red, it is turned on. The cleaning distance should be 600 to 800mm. After operation, turn off the button of the protection switch. Turn the protective cover back to the correct position. Put the cleaning head back to the corresponding position. First, turn off the switch of the laser. Then turn off the main switch of the machine system. Press the emergency stop. Okay, now the power is off. Turn off the empty switch at the end of the machine. Turn off the main switch. This is a complete machine instruction. Must be done before each use. Make sure that the protective lens is clean. We recommend that you check it before each use. If the protective lens is contaminated or damaged, if there are small black spots in the middle, that means the protective lens is burned. Need to wipe with professional alcohol wipes, or replace it immediately. Keep the environment clean and hygienic during the replacement process. Avoid dust from entering the inside of the cleaning head. If the protective lens is not replaced in time, it causes damage to other fiber optic lenses. This is not covered by the warranty. If the cleaning head makes noise, overheats, etc., you need to stop working and immediately contact after-sales staff for processing. Next, we perform a cleaning head, an operation video of replacing the protective lens and focusing lens. This is the protective lens of D3O/2. The protective lens of D3O/2. This is D30F500. There are others. This is the focusing lens. These are all the focusing lenses used. This is during use. Avoid dust from falling in. To clean the lens, alcohol wipes. When we found the protective lens, there was a small black dot in the middle, or is contaminated or damaged, then we need to replace the protective lens immediately. When replacing, there are two. The first one is the outermost one, which is the protective lens. The focusing lens is inside. Let's replace the protective lens first. Take off the protective lens. Be sure to keep the environment dry and hygienic. We take out the alcohol wipes. Put the removed protective lens on the alcohol wipes. Avoid contamination. Take out the new protective lens, then install it on top. Turn the paddle of this circle counterclockwise. Let it come out of the slot and these two protective areas. You can check it out. You can take out the previous protective lens, then replace it with a new one. If it has cracks, black spots or other contaminants, you need to wipe it with alcohol wipes. If it can't be wiped off, you need to replace it immediately. Avoid because not replacing the protective lens in time, which causes damage to other protective lenses. During use, during replacement, be sure not to damage the lens. Try to use gloves and alcohol wipes to do this. Okay, the replacement is completed. We put the tablet back. Clamp tightly. We put it back. Okay, we put the protective lens back. Tighten. Next, we will replace the focusing lens. The first one is the protective lens, the second one is the focusing lens. Remove the focusing lens. Remove the focusing lens. Take out the new focusing lens. Insert. Tighten. This is a complete step to replace the lens.